This is the new look now. If you have to come into town, you have to have your shield, your face mask. This is the new way. You can't get in the malls here. And it's gotten real busy here. In the last week or two, it's gotten real busy. I mean, this used to be all dead. Take a look around now. Just look how busy it is. And it's 4 o'clock. It's after 4 now. You got all your little stores here are opened up. Little electronic stores. You can get your cell phone fixed over here. They shut down the jitney buses in town for the pandemic, and now you're switched to these giant buses called series buses right here. These great big buses, and every other seat's got an X on it, so you can't sit next to each other. They only allowed half capacity full. Not letting us in. That looks like it's getting back to normal in here, that's for sure. A lot of places were closed before, now are open. All the trikes are back. Very busy again. This is good to see people actually getting some work. Hey guys. Love to see you guys work.
Hello, welcome Philippines.
Hello. Some big old boys here. Some shrimp?
Yeah, 1/2.
Uh-huh.
I buy 1/2.
Half kilo?
Yeah.
How much was your shrimp?
350 a kilo.
350 a kilo?
Yeah, I buy half.
So $7 for 3 pounds. I think that's right.
No.
No?
1.1 pounds.
1.1 pound for $7.
1 kilo is 2.1.
Oh, okay. Where are you going, huh? Ah, chicken. Chicken. Yeah.
Okay na. Mga pa na balik ng dira.
You ever cut the breast?
Oh? Oh my God! Ayaw lagi, ingat kayo.
Ano lang?
Kasi channel niya sa YouTube.
Kanan cherry. Kanan cherry.
Salamat po. Nasaan yung upload?
Isa, basta next day.
Next day? Ma-feature din tayo sa YouTube. YouTube na. Nag-vlogger sila.
Okay, where else, sweetie? Oh, okay. Whew. It is hot in here. It's got to be at least 90 degrees in here, at least.
Friend, hi! May I help you?
Already got it.
I got it, okay. Happy birthday!
You got the pig up here already? Huh? Hello.
Hello, my friend! All of you!
This is like the main road here going through here. They got every kind of vegetable you want. Where is she? Ah, there she is. She always buys her vegetables from the same lady. Find what you need, hon? A little cooler at this end. The sun's going down. It's about 3:30, quarter to 4 p.m. right now. And last time we recorded here, every one of these was closed, all boarded up. Let's go down and see what we can see. We got household goods right here. We got some they call ukai stores here. They're like secondhand stores for clothes. Really popular here. Never can have enough ceiling fans. And balls, basketball. They love basketball here. More ceiling fans. It's pretty much everything in the same, everything's one store to the next. One of the things I like to get is right over here. Grinding the coconut, getting the coconut out. Because his over here. Now that's fresh coconut. These places here where you can buy videos, of course they are bootleg, so they're not that great of condition. Sometimes you just get a copy of someone actually recording in the theater. But for a good, got some really good ones too though. Any new? Those are new ones?
Yes, then to Busan Part 2.
Oh yeah, I got that one already.
Mulan.
Got Mulan. Do you have Greenland?
Oh, still no, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll be back. Whew. It is hot. Pretty much no Greenland at that one spot, then none of them have it. Oh, you caught up with me, okay. Let's see what you're gonna look for now. Oh, pot? Okay.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello. Hello. Shoes, lots of shoes. Oh yeah, for your cactus. You like your cactus.
45. Nana siya kwan.
Okay, so we got some hanging clips, a plunger. I don't know what she's getting also. I know she got some pots for her things, and it looks like we're going to have to get out of the road.
You want a towel?
Sure.
Running towel, which one?
I don't care. Thank you. Whew. Oh, I gotta kneel down to get in here. It's tight in here. It's like a back alley into here. More things to buy. Shoes, more shoes. Oh, toys for the kids. What do you see? Looks like you found some more for Liam, some more. Anything you might like?
No, manyo. Asa yung mga bato?
This is where I was at before, didn't see anything.
We're back.
Yeah, we're done with that. I like to see Greenland without all the distortion.
Night Greenland. Greenland. I know, but
No.
not yet pa na.
Yeah, no one's got a copy yet. Okay. Okay. We are outside of the market. It's heading down Main Street now. This is Kitty. She's dirty right now, but thought I'd show, if we haven't shown it yet, they put a rack, this rack, they came over the house at night and they put this on for us. This was the freebie, was the rack here. So that's what they gave us for, as far as the freebie when we bought the van. And there's the van that's in the front. So it took about 2 weeks to get it because they ordered it, and because of the pandemic everything is running slow, so it took a little while for them to actually receive it. Then we got a call, and since their mechanic lives right up the street from us, he went ahead and brought it over in their vehicle, and they put it on about 2 weeks after we got the van. And it was about 6, 7 o'clock at night. The sun was already set and they were out there working by flashlight, and they put it on. It took about 20 minutes, but I was happy with it. I'm glad we have it. We've already used it going up to our property. We took up some dwarf coconut trees and we tied them to the top up there. So good thing. It was good to have.